So if your Bitwarden suddenly stopped working in 2026, don't worry. Yeah, it happens more often than you'd think. In this guide, I'll walk you through quick fixes that usually solve the issue in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure your internet is actually stable. Then open a browser and check if Bitwarden's server is up. If the service is down, nothing else will work. So yeah, this step matters. Next, check if your Bitwarden app or browser extension is outdated. An old version can cause login loops or sync errors. Just update it to the latest version and restart your browser. If it's still not working, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. I know, it sounds basic, but honestly, it fixes a lot of weird login issues with Bitwarden. Now, disable any ad blockers, privacy extensions, or VPNs you might be using. Sometimes they interfere with Bitwarden's login or syncing process, so test it with everything turned off. If nothing's working so far, log out of Bitwarden completely, then log back in. This forces a fresh sync of your vault data, and yeah, it often clears hidden errors. Last option, reinstall Bitwarden, or try logging in from another device. If it works there, the issue is probably local on your browser or app. And that's pretty much it. One of these steps usually fixes Bitwarden not working. If not, it might be a temporary server issue, so just wait a bit and try again later.